Welcome to my videos on the AR DV1 scanner receiver, which receives DMR, D-Star and Fusion. So anyway, let's delete a memory channel. To enter a memory channel, nice and easy, you just go VFO, okay? We're in VFO, type your frequency, 145.500, enter. If you like that, and you can change the step. The mode is down here for FM, enter, and you can do all modes, digital and analog. Once you're happy with that, and if you're doing FM, sorry, not FM, LSB, HS, AM, you can go F mode. You can actually change the IF bandwidth as well. We're not going to do that now. So hold down enter, and it's going to ask you where you want to save it. So let's save it on 0107. That's bank 1, bank 7. So you type that in. See, if it's highlighted in grey, we're in now memory read mode. You would go say 01. Then let's go 09. Okay, that's bank 01, and it's channel 9, and you can tag it, and we'll call this one S20, that one there. So we'll go on the numeric keypad. Number 7 has got S. Look here, S. Then you move along just by selecting another letter. So actually, because it's the same one, we'll just turn the grey knob and then go. But if you choose a different knob, it will move along, and you can select numbers just by keep pressing. So S, actually let's clear one. So you press the up arrow for clear. It's the up arrow here. And then we'll go 20, which is number 2. 2. And a 0 here at the bottom. Enter, and then enter again. It saved it in 0109. Now what if you want to delete it? Well, we'll go back to memory mode. So imagine the scan button is like memory button. We're in memory mode. We'll turn until we get to 0109, or if you don't want to do it that way, you can type it 0109. It's highlighted here, 0109. And if we want to clear that, you just press the F key. Let's get this right. In memory, press F key and then clear. You get this menu here, and it says there if you want to clear it. Now you've still got the option now, I believe, looking at this, where you could change. You could change to a different one, but you have to type it. So let's just go, no, no. I thought it would give you, it would make sense that it gives you the option to change that, but no, it doesn't. I'm trying to change, it's not letting me, but if I press enter, it will delete it. Writing memory. It's now deleted 0109, so if we try and go back into memory mode, clear, which is scan, we're in memory mode now. We go 0109, nothing, yeah? If you go 0107, there's one of the other memory channels there. Yeah, it's definitely gone. So just to recap, to add, you go into VFO mode, type frequency, hold enter, and then really save and tag. And to delete, you press the F when you're in memory mode. So you go memory mode, let's have a go. Which is scan, we're in memory mode. You go F, clear, and you've got the option to clear, or you can cancel and not delete that memory. Excellent, thanks for watching my channel, 7-3.